وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ. Allah says, give good news to those who believe and do good deeds, that for them are gardens beneath which rivers will be flowing. May Allah grant that to us. Gardens beneath which rivers will be flowing. Today we have rivers beneath us that we cannot see. They are solely of water and at times possibly of oil in some parts of the world. But in Jannah the rivers will be seen. Whatever you think of, whatever you imagine, you will see a river of that particular liquid, drinkable liquid. You will see it immediately. And if you feel you want it to get to your mouth, automatically you will be feeling it in your mouth. How it got there? No utensils involved. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all from Jannah. May He grant us a piece of Jannah. May He grant us all a garden. Why has Allah described Jannah? I mentioned moments ago, in order to make the driving force that will drive us to achieving that goal very powerful. From this we also learn that in life, the more you know of your goal, the stronger the driving force that will lead you to achieving that goal shall be. The less you know about it, the weaker you shall be. And the driving force may become non-existent. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us strong. If I can dwell for a few moments on that. One of the goals and aims throughout the day, which is natural, which we don't even realize is a goal, is to eat. We need to put a plate of food in front of ourselves and those who depend on us before the end of the day or at a certain time. The driving force is so powerful that we will eat without even realizing at times that we are actually eating. Because we know that without this, our existence is at stake. Now if our driving force for achieving Jannah is very powerful, we will automatically come to Salah. We will automatically fulfill our Salah. We will give out zakah, lillah. We will abstain from haram. But when that driving force becomes weak, we begin to engage in sin. We begin to leave Salah. We begin to stay away from the Quran and so on. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthen our iman. Iman is that particular driving force.